3, 2, 1, go. The Iowa State Cyclones and Kansas Jayhawks will meet up in a Big 12 Conference college basketball matchup. This is Across the Board with Jeff Grant here at SBRforum.com. Wednesday night's opening tip scheduled for 9 o'clock Eastern Time on ESPNU from Allen Fieldhouse in Lawrence, Kansas. The Jayhawks anywhere between 8 and 9-point home favorites in the market, while no betting total has been established at SBRodds.com. Iowa State snapped a 3-game losing streak by picking up an 81-75 victory over the Kansas State Wildcats as 9.5-point home favorites last Saturday. The Cyclones will now be out to avenge a 77-70 setback to the Jayhawks as 2.5-point home favorites earlier this season, as the team shot a season worst 31.4% from the field. Offensively, senior guard DeAndre Kane is the main player to handicap, given the fact that he's just 3 games removed from an ankle injury. The first game he played was against the Jayhawks, and he's shooting just 12 of 37 from the field over that 3-game span. The Cyclones are also 2-5 straight up, 4-3 against the spread as road underdogs of 6.5 to 9 points the last 2+ seasons. Kansas has won its last 6 games, shooting 54.9% from the field over that span. The Jayhawks are a dominating 54-2 straight up in their last 56 Big 12 home games, have won their last 8 home games against the Cyclones in this particular series, and Kansas is 43-18 straight up against ranked opponents since the start of the 2007-08 campaign. The Jayhawks 4-0 straight up, 3-1 against the spread as home favorites of 6.5 to 9 points since the start of the 2011-12 campaign. From a handicapper perspective, I developed a line favoring the Jayhawks by 7.5 points, which lands me directly on the Cyclones as 9-point road underdogs on Wednesday. This has been another edition of Across the Board here at SBRforum.com, and you can follow me on Twitter at Jeff Grant Sports. Cut.